Hello friends, welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Sailesh Kushwaha and in this video we are going to learn about virtual switches, the ways to create different kind of virtual switches, and in the end I will demonstrate you the way to create a virtual switch. So let me begin the topic. So the question rises, what is meant by virtual switch? So the answer which I can provide you right now is like, since we are working on a virtual machine, so there means there needs to be some connectivity between the host operating system and the guest operating system which is lying on our virtual machine. So virtual switches provide a connection between host virtual machine and the host operating system. Like if I wanted to share my network which is on my laptop with the virtual machine that I have installed in the VMware. So how this happens? This happens through virtual switches. So virtual switches, creating a virtual switch is optional if we are working on if we do not have any internet requirement and we are working on only our virtual machine, then there is no need to create a virtual switch. But since we are working in an environment where we need to communicate with the host operating system and the uh, vi- virtual machines operating system, so we need to create a virtual switch. Virtual switch can connect our virtual machines to the internet through computers network connection. So we have three types of virtual switches. First one is external, second one is internal, and the third one is private. So let me give you a brief introduction about the three virtual switches that we have discussed. The first one I will discuss is private. So private, this mode of virtual switch allows you to communicate between the virtual adapters within the same virtual machine. So means there may be a lot of virtual adapters and they need to communicate with each other through some communication channel. So this kind of virtual switch provides that channel. The second one is internal. So internal mode of virtual switch allows us to communicate between the host operating system and the network adapters available on the virtual machine. Means it is only bound to these two networks, the laptop, the operating system on my laptop, and the virtual machine which is installed on my laptop only. So this is bound to a laptop and a virtual machine installed on the laptop. So there is a limitation for this. And the third one is if external. So this mode of virtual switch allows us to communicate globally. Means we can communicate between the operating system and the virtual machine installed on my system, and even I can access the virtual machine globally using this external virtual switch. I can assign an IP to this particular external switch and then I can use that globally. So now we come on to the point, how can we create a virtual switch? So virtual switches can be created in different ways. So there are different ways to create the virtual switch in Windows. First one is using the PowerShell window, and the second one is using the Hyper-V manager. So both the ways are successful and we can create virtual switch in from both the ways. Now let me demonstrate you a demo as how we can create a virtual switch. In this demo I will demonstrate uh, external virtual switch and will show you after creating this virtual switch I am still able to connect to my services like the internet, and the same services, the same network will be available inside my virtual machine. So go to the start menu and then type Hyper-V. Click on this Hyper-V manager, and then a dialog will be opened in which we have the option of a virtual switch manager. This manager manages our uh, virtual switches and allows us to create different kind of virtual switches. So once I click on this, I will have an option to create a new. So these are the three types of virtual switches that we have discussed. I will click on create virtual switch, and in that I will specify a name. This is optional, so I have named it as Codecraft Shop, and I'm selecting Dell wireless adapter because I'm using Wi-Fi. So in order to share the network, I will use the Wi-Fi. So I have selected the connection type as external, so it is an external network, external virtual switch. So I'm clicking on apply. So once I apply, it will prompt you dialog box in which it says that we for some time while applying the virtual switch, we are out of network. And so I'm clicking on yes. It is applying the changes, and once it will apply the changes, I will click on OK, and then I will show you that still I am accessing my internet services. So the virtual switch has been created, and I'm clicking on OK. Now let us verify whether it is working or not. So I am opening up Chrome, and then I am typing something. So as you can see, I am able to access the network. So this is all about the demo. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Codecraft Shop, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at the page Codecraft Shop. Thank you.